This is your girl Relay from Rosy Beauty Makeover. I'm here today to show you this important and beautiful herbs. I told you that herbs have a lot of things to do in our life. One of those benefits of herbs and spice is what I want you to see today. As we know, many people complain that their husband is no longer into them, they don't enjoy the other room activity. Today, I want to show you a simple remedy that you can actually use as tea to take care of yourself. Some people, their major problem is too much sugary thing, and if you have too much sugar in your system, you might not be able to perform well or have good desire or pleasure as it might be. So today I'm going to be showing you these natural herbs that have been given to us by God that can easily use as a normal tea to still keep our body sweet and more pleasurable. Today we're having this very first herb here. This first herb we have here is called Tamarine. In north it is called Samia. If you are from north like myself, you know this herb as what? Samia. Samia is very good in cleaning your system. It has high quantity of vitamin C that is good in cleaning your system from every toxin, every uncleanness, impurity, every sugar that is in your system. Tamia has that ability to clean it up, thereby renewing your system to a very fresh and a healthy state. Here we have the second one. This one is called cinnamon stick. Cinnamon, we know cinnamon bring about unity, peace, health. It bring wealth, it bring love. So with cinnamon here, you can use it to do tea and still drink the tea and have your desire, your system being in a good state as well. Here we have what we call bay leaf. This is our bay leaf. Bay leaf is good in spice. We use it for our cooking. If you go to store where they sell condiments, ask them for bay leaf, ask them for even the cinnamon stick, ask them for all the spices I'm going to be introducing to you. They are all natural spices given to us by God, and they have a lot of things in you. In my next video, we shall be treating them one after the other. Their health benefit, their spiritual benefit, and how we can use them to prepare our Kayan Mata, homemade Kayan Mata that you can use. Both men and women can benefit from this, because apart from it giving you energy in the other room affair, it also clean your system, setting you free from all those forceful toxins that are not good for your health. This is the bay leaf. It's also in our Kayan Mata tea. Then here we have rosemary. Rosemary, this is our rosemary. You can see it. You also get it from when you are buying your spice. Ask them for rosemary flour you'll be giving. This is rosemary. Rosemary is very good herb that it unites the family together. It brings about you being honey and being wealth. If you are taking rosemary in as a spice, always make sure you include it in your cooking. If you want to introduce it to yourself as your tea, introduce it as tea as well. There's no overdose of all these herbs. As you see them here, I have already measured them out that you can use in your tea. The last but not the least is our beautiful clove. This is our clove. Already, if you are here with me, you can hear the scent, the nice flavor that is coming out from clove. Clove have spiritual benefit. Clove have many things that it does in the body. I'm going to show you in our next video how to make clove powder, clove oil, and even make clove tea as I'm doing today. In many things that we do, you cannot do Kayan Mata without clove, because clove can tighten you, clove can make you fresh. Clove contains vitamin A, magnesium, it contains calcium, it contains vitamin B, even B9, and it contains a lot of spiritual strength and benefit that can help you heal inside out. So with this tea that we want to look into today, with all this, you can make a very beautiful tea that will keep you very strong, healthy, fresh inside out. With this tea now, both man and woman can take of this tea. You will not lose your strength unnecessarily. This tea is very good for 20-minute men, 2-minute men. The tea is also good for women. It adds strength, stamina to you as a woman. It also cleans your womb. Because definitely a woman always see her monthly period. With this tea, it cleanses you up. keep you sweet. For those people who consume a lot of sugar, when you take up this tea, I tell you, the sugar content of your system will be minimized to its normal level. It cleans you of bad fats, cholesterol. It makes you have the very best clean system that you think. So without no wasting of our time, I don't want the video to be too long. Let's dive to our tea. But before then, please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share my video, and comment down below in my description box for more tips or more spiritual or healthy tips like this. Thank you. I already have my tea here. I already make my tea. This tea I have here consists of simple remedy. It consists of what? The clove, the cinnamon stick, the rosemary, the tamarind, which is called samia in Hausa, and my bay leaf. So I'm just going to sieve my tea. I'm just going to sieve my tea to remove all those things there. You can make this tea at every time before you meet your man or your woman. Take it maybe 1 hour before your action time. I tell you, you're going to testify. It's what I take often. So apart from that, it gives you a very healthy skin. It adds glow to your system as well. You'll be glowing. It reduces your age. It's a glowing drink as well. So you can see now I have my tea already here. Just put all this thing together, boil it in 1 cup of water in your kitchen and bring it out to sieve and take. Then you add purified honey. That is what the original honey. I got this one for myself. I've been using it because I take this tea more often. Then you just take a spoon of your honey, mix together in your tea, and that is all. Your tea is ready. You sip your tea. I tell you, this tea is one miracle tea that you can take. If you don't want to fall sick, take this tea because it detoxifies your system. This tea cleanses you up. It gives you what? It reduces your age, making you look younger and fresh. It also serves as your Kayan Mata. It serves as your what? Sweetener. It serves as your strength also. So this tea is all you need to take. This is what Kayan Mata that is made from right there in your kitchen with all the herbs that we have right there in your kitchen. With this simple remedy, be sure to be on top of your game.